Hello everyone. Now I'm going to in the my last video you guys able to see how we can do the code first approach. Okay. Now let's move to the second is the database first approach. Okay. I just created a simple console application and in this console application I already the install the three things I already shown in the last video how we can install the .NET Framework Core, SQL Server and tools that will be used in EF Core project. I already installed in this project. Okay. Now let's uh, we have already a table, right? In the SQL Server we have already. Let's log in the SQL Management Studio. I will show you. In the last video I already created a table, okay, demo database. You guys are remember, if not just go through that video also you can find. This is the demo database and we have already the few tables: product, customer, orders and product orders. There are four tables available and suppose in some scenario there are already tables available in some project, database already available, then code first approach will not work. In this scenario we have to go with the database first approach. Okay, so these are the tables. What we will have to do, we have to just, I created, let's see, console application and just there is the some command and that command we need to run. Okay, what will command? Scaffold command, Scaffold-DbContext. These are the commands. I will add this command in my video content. You guys can find the command. I am just copying, pasting the command. What is in this command? Scaffold-DbContext, and we need to pass the database connection string here. Then Microsoft Identity SQL Server context directory, we need to pass data. Under the data the context will be created and under the models our all models will be created. And last one is the data annotation. Data annotation means suppose there is the primary key, there is the decimal something. Last time I added manually the data annotation, it will generate automatically by the database. Let's run the command. You can see here build is started, build succeed. It will take few seconds. It's just throwing a message like the connection string they guys giving the code, and but by security purpose you will keep somewhere else. That is the only the message here. Okay, when the command is successful you will find we have the similar type of folder structure, data and models. You can see it's completed. We got the data. In the data this is the our context. You can see here the context, customer, orders, products and product orders. This is the our database. Okay, and in the models you will find all four tables with proper annotation. Okay, and that's all. It's generated the data from there. And suppose the next thing, say we change anything in the database, how we can update it? We need to run the command again. And what we need to add? We need to add a force. What will force do? Force will modify the structure as suppose we change in the database. Okay, Then we need to run the command again, and what will happen, it will modify your model and context as per latest changes. Okay, now let's the similar things. If you go and you want to get the result, suppose I want to fetch the data from the database, just in the similar way by using a statement we can get it. Yeah, so we can see here the same code I just using it. Just this is the our context name, whatever context name we will give it, this is the context name. Just create the object. This is the our query to fetch the records, and we are printing here. Let's run it. You can see, right? Let's do it one more thing. Suppose I am going to add any new column in the customer table. Okay, suppose I am adding a column. For example, how we are going to modify, right? Suppose I am adding just test column for testing purpose, and we get 10 anything, and I am saving the data. Just I saved it. Now I need to run the command again. What command? Because you can see here in the test is not there. Okay, then I need to run again the command. What will be the command? I already saw by adding the force. Just I need to add force. You can see here it's completed. Now let's check in our customer things. You can see here uh, the test is added, which length is 10. Okay, in this way we can like the update the our models. If in any changes in the database, we can update in this way the model. Yeah, that's all for this video. This is the database first approach. We data is already there, then how we are going to generate work, how we can going to work by using the database first approach. First, simply we should run the command by, first of all we need to install the ef core. There are three things: ef core tools, sql server, and .NET ef core, right? After this scaffold command we need to run, and it will generate the old model, and then by db context we can do our work, whatever we want to add or save or anything. That's all for this video. Thank you all. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. And if you have any question, then give me the comment. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you like my video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.